Hello everyone, in today's video we'll guide you through how to remove the background in Canva. So if you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's dive right in. Open any web browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Then choose a template or a blank canvas for your design. Now click on the Uploads option from the left sidebar. Next, click on the Upload Files option. Select your desired photo from your computer and click on the Open button. Once your picture is uploaded to Canva, click on it to add it to your canvas. Select the picture and at the top you will find the Edit Photo button. Here, you will find different tools for photo editing. You will find the Background Remove option here. Unfortunately, this tool is only available for premium users. You will need to subscribe to a Canva plan. Then you can easily remove the background of any image. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to remove the background in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. Thanks for watching.